Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all would be doing well. As far as we have started the content of pronouns, and in our last classes we talked about the pronouns and its types in a great detail with its sample exercise, with its sample sentences. In our today's class we are going to do with the exercise of pronouns, because we cannot grab our concept in more detail or with a comprehensive understanding unless or until we are not solving its exercises, because exercises give us some more in-depth understanding about the content that we are going to learn. So in our today's class we will be having some sentences or practice of these kinds of pronouns: personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, intensive pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. In our today's class we are going to solve some exercises or some questions of these types of pronouns to give you more understanding about pronouns. So just start with the pronouns. Here you would be having some sample sentences, in these sentences you have to point out the pronouns and say for what each pronoun stands for. Just recall the concept of pronouns. What are the pronouns? Pronouns are those words which refer back to a noun used in a sentence earlier. So here is a sentence: there were doors all around the hall, but they were all locked. At the very first, you have to highlight or underline that what is a noun that has been used in the sentence. So the noun that is used over here in the sentence is doors. So just mark it with a noun and what is the pronoun that has been used to replace this noun? So this is a pronoun they that has been used over here to replace the noun door. So in this sentence, Harry brought his book and laid it on the table. So underline. At first you have to highlight or underline the nouns that have been used here in the sentence. The very first is here Harry. Harry brought his book. So book is again a noun. So for this person Harry, what is the pronoun that is used over here? This is a pronoun. And for this book, what pronoun has been used here? This is a pronoun, it. So this is noun and this is pronoun. This is noun and this is pronoun that has been used for in the same sentence. Cream has lost his dog and cannot find it. So can you just highlight that what is a noun? Yes, cream is a noun and dog is again a noun. Cream has lost his dog. His is a pronoun that is used for cream and it is a pronoun that is used for a noun dog. So if you say that Cream has lost his dog and cannot find the dog, so this dog, repetition of dog is not good to have in a sentence. So we just used a pronoun it to replace that dog in the sentence. The horse fell and broke its leg. So this horse is a noun and broke its leg. So this is a pronoun that is used over here for the horse. Birds build their nests in trees. Birds is a noun and there is a pronoun that has been used for birds. If the thief is caught, he will be punished. This thief is a noun and he is a pronoun that has been used for the thief. If you say that if the thief is caught, the thief will be punished. So the thief would be having a repetition in the sentence, and to avoid that ungrammaticality in the sentence, we just used here the pronoun that is he for that thief. So this is how we have just highlighted the concept of nouns and pronouns in these sentences. So here you have to choose the correct personal pronoun to fill the blank. Dash am learning to speak better English. So what would be the personal pronoun to fill in this sentence? I am learning to speak better English. So this I would be used over here in this blank. Thanks for the parcel. Please put dash on the table. So this parcel is giving us an idea of being individual or being singular. So for that cause we have to use the pronoun that is it. Thanks for the parcel. Please put it on the table. Martha was surprised when Dash found her lost pendant. So Martha is a girl And for girl, what type of pronouns we could use? Yes, this is she. Martha was surprised when she found her lost pendant. Dash are playing football. So this are is giving us an idea that somehow a personal pronoun would be a plural. So you are playing football. Me are playing is incorrect. I are playing is incorrect. So you are playing football. So it's how personal pronouns get to deal with. Next is here you have to choose the correct demonstrative pronoun to fill in the blank. Demonstrative pronouns are those pronouns which are used as a pointer to talk about the things. Is dash yours? Is that yours? I really like watching old shows. Dash are some of the best things on TV. So this old shows is a plural thing. So for plural, we have to use those because it is giving us an idea that is far. Dash are nice looking. So these are nice looking because for are we cannot use this or that. Dash is a present from my uncle. So this is giving us an idea about being a singular. So the present would be a single. So this is a present from my uncle. Dash are merely excuses. So these are merely excuses. Again, the helping verbs give you an idea that what type of pronoun you would have to write for the sentence. So this is about demonstrative pronouns. Intensive pronouns. You have to choose the correct intensive pronoun to fill in the blank. And what are intensive pronouns? Intensive pronouns are those pronouns which give more emphasis on the task that has been done on. I slipped on the sidewalk and hurt myself. So this is giving an emphasis that what type of action has been done and has its consequence. The kids rode the swing by themselves. So the kids as a plural, so they were riding a swing by themselves. She bought dash a new car. She bought herself a new car. So this is an intensive pronoun. These are giving an emphasis on the task or on the pronoun that has been doing an action. So last is here reflexive pronoun. You have to choose the correct reflexive pronoun to fill in the blank. So just recall the concept of reflexive pronoun, that these are the pronouns which reflect an action back to the noun. So I am always talking to. What is the action that is being performed by the subject? This subject is performing an action of talking. What type of talking? I am always talking to myself. So this action or the task or is reflecting back to the subject or the doer of the sentence. Alaska likes to do things by herself. So again, this action is being referring back to the noun or to the subject. You can do it yourself. So these are all the reflexive pronouns that we use in our sentences to reflect back an action that has been performed by a subject. This is all for the today's class. In our next class, we'll have some more exercises about the different types of pronouns. If you have any question regarding these types of pronouns, you can ask, or do like, comment, share and subscribe for new videos. Thank you so much. Take care.